In this video, we're going to discuss startup options in Windows 8.1. Now, by default, you get on to your start screen as we see it right now when you log into Windows 8.1, from which you can access your desktop, etc. Okay. Now, in the bottom left-hand corner of your start screen is a little down arrow. If you click on that, you get a full list of the installed applications on your computer, and you can scroll left or right to go through those. And of course you can go up at the top here and you can search through by keyword and narrow things down. Okay, we'll go back up here and we'll go back to the desktop, or to the desktop in this case. And if you right click on your taskbar and click on properties, you're going to see some options about how you can start under the navigation tab here. So in the start screen area, you've got all these selections here. First one is when I sign in or close all apps on a screen, go to the desktop instead of start. So if you don't want the start screens at all when you start up, you just want to go to your desktop, you can check that little box there. All right. Show my desktop background on start would just mean whatever image that you have on your desktop would also be in behind on your start screen. You can check that as well, right? Show start on the display I'm using when I press the Windows logo key. So that would mean if you have multiple monitors, when you click on your start button, it'll come up on whichever monitor you happen to be looking at, right? Check that, of course, to make that apply. Here where it says show the apps view automatically when I go to start. So the apps view is that full icon view with all of your applications, as opposed to that little panel view that shows you highlights of what you have. Okay, so you can check that off, and you can also have this bottom one checked or unchecked, which is search everywhere instead of just my apps. When I search from the apps view, I suggest leaving that checked, because depending on what you're searching for, you want to have to go wherever to find it. It would be nice just to find it directly from there. Okay, and the final one is list desktop apps first in the apps view when it's sorted by category, right? So the difference between a desktop app and sort of a Windows 8.1 app is that a desktop app is kind of the traditional program that you would download off of the internet or from a CD-ROM or whatever, things like Microsoft Office, etc. Whereas the non-desktop apps are the ones that run off your start screen. Like you may have noticed there's a difference between Internet Explorer when it's run from your start screen and Internet Explorer run from your desktop. Generally, the desktops apps are the more productive ones, and that's why you would want to list those first. Okay, so of course you create your own selection of what you would like in that area. Click OK. All right, and then next time you start your computer or press the start key on your keyboard or click on start here, you will find that your options have now been applied. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care.